Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to add a Netflix link to both your desktop and taskbar using Google Chrome on your Windows laptop. This makes accessing Netflix incredibly quick and convenient, almost like having a dedicated app. So let's get started with this quick tutorial. First, open your Google Chrome browser on your laptop. Once Chrome is up and running, navigate to netflix.com in the address bar. This will take you directly to the Netflix homepage where you can access all your favorite shows and movies. Now, direct your attention to the upper right corner of your Chrome browser. You'll see three vertical dots, which is the Chrome menu icon. Go ahead and click on those three dots to reveal a drop-down menu with various options. This menu contains all the essential browser settings and features you'll need. From the drop-down menu that appears, hover your mouse over the option labeled Cast, Save and Share. When you hover over it, a secondary menu will expand to the side, showing you additional sharing and saving options. This is where Chrome lets you create shortcuts and manage how you access your favorite websites. In that expanded menu, click on Create a Shortcut. This action will open a small pop-up window that allows you to customize your Netflix shortcut before creating it. It's a simple but powerful feature that turns any website into a desktop icon. In the pop-up window that appears, you'll see a text field where you can input a custom name for your shortcut. You can keep it as Netflix or change it to something more specific if you'd like. Once you've decided on a name, click the Create button to finalize the shortcut. Chrome will now generate a desktop icon for you. Now, navigate to your desktop by minimizing or closing your browser window. On your desktop, you should see your newly created Netflix shortcut sitting there as an icon. This shortcut gives you instant access to Netflix with just a double click. To add this shortcut to your taskbar for even quicker access, right-click on the Netflix icon. From the context menu that appears, click on Show More Options. This will expand the menu to show additional actions you can take with the shortcut. Finally, from the expanded menu, click on Pin to Taskbar. This will instantly add the Netflix shortcut to your Windows taskbar at the bottom of your screen, making it accessible with a single click anytime you need it. And that's it, you now have Netflix available both on your desktop and pinned to your taskbar for maximum convenience. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.